Hey guys, this is Bruce, and today we're going to be talking about an urgent need for a service reliability operator Linux administrator. Before we start, you should know that I actually have a course. Hold on a second, let me see if I can turn that course. Yeah, so the course is down below in that little scroll right there that you see on the screen. Hold on, let me move my face down a little bit. That right there, see that? The scrolling across, that's where it is. It's securitycompliance.thinkific.com if you're interested in seeing how I've been able to work from home for the past 4 or 5 years and how I've been able to maintain risk management framework jobs and cybersecurity jobs for making 6 figures. If you're interested in that, check out my course. Signing up is free. I do have some courses that are paid. Go check them out. All right, so let's talk about this job. And this is for your noobs out there if you want to get to know the market. And it's also for people who already have cybersecurity experience. Maybe you already have a job, you've been doing this for a while. I mean, I'm going to put all the contact information below and you can contact these people. They may still need you. So, what are they looking for? This is straight from an inbox, and this is for a Linux administrator for a service reliability operator. You're going to understand what that means by the end of this, because I have a good idea what this is. Interview process is going to be telephonic. They're going to contact you on Skype, or you'll contact them on Skype, and that's where the interview will be. And then eventually you'll interview the customer. First you'll interview a screener, and that's what this ITC is. And then after that, you're gonna be talking to the customer, and the actual person who you're doing the work for, will do an interview. So that's how usually it goes. You have 2 or 3, sometimes even 4 interviews with different people who are screening you as you go. And if you're interested in this, is going to be in Redwood City, California. It's a 12-month to hire, and it's not to hire, 12-month plus. That means there's either 12 months or more work with. The customer is Oracle. Oracle is no joke. I've actually interviewed with them before. they're not messing around. They really, the times that I've had interviews with them, there's no joke. So the technical piece was difficult. I'll just put it to you that way. Okay, so it says here's a breakdown of the tech stack and requirements. So operating system is Linux. That's what Oracle's working with, some variant of Linux. Ticket system is Jira or ServiceNow. So okay, now that's where the service reliability operator comes in. You're going to be working on the system that they use for ticketing. So normally IT workshops, IT organizations, government, federal, state, they have like a ticketing system because they have so much work that comes in and out of their process, that they have to actually track all of the problems that are happening over thousands or hundreds or thousands of systems and users throughout their organization. And the ticketing system helps them keep track of, okay, I can't log into my system today. And then the users will call in to an IT professional who will walk them through it. And then that IT professional will go to ServiceNow or Jira. And that Jira or ServiceNow system is based on Linux and Oracle. The back end is some sort of a database and operating system. So they're looking for somebody who's going to maintain that particular system, is what I'm thinking. All right, so let's keep going here. It says scripting. Python is a must-have. Shell, PowerShell, Perl, PHP is a plus. So they're looking for a Python scripter. So that's a big one. It's looking like. Oracle, cloud infrastructure is Oracle, Azure, and AWS, which I believe is Amazon's cloud system. OpenStack, GCP, any of these. So they're not looking for any particular. I thought it was specifically Oracle, but it's looking like they have all of these different cloud-based infrastructure going on. So if you have experience with those, that's what they're looking for. But the customer, it says Oracle, so it's got to be Oracle. All right, so knowledge management, Confluence. I guess they have a management system called Confluence. I don't know, not sure. Incident management tools, Incident Commander, Scribe, Troubleshooter. And let's see what other things that they have here. Apps monitoring is Kibana, and they're in a world I'm not heard of this. This is not my world, so just bear with me as I mess up all of these words here. System monitoring is Jinx and Zabbix. And databases, MySQL is mandatory and Oracle is a nice to have. All right, that's interesting. I thought it was with Oracle, but they're saying Oracle is a nice to have. They want you to have MySQL experience. Okay. Networking, firewall management, IT, TCP/IP, and other protocols. Application experience, Apache, Memcache, Squid, MySQL, NFS, DHCP, NTP, SSH, DNS, SNMP. Job, okay, now we're talking here. Key job duties. You're going to perform proactive service checks. You're going to monitor and triage incoming system application alerts, emails, phone calls to ensure the appropriate priority response. So you're monitoring. I'm guessing what you're doing here is you're managing the actual ticketing system itself and looking for alerts, like if the system's down or things like that. I'm assuming that's what they mean here. Identify and work with engineering to, let me just move my face up here a little bit. There we go. Perform proactive service check. Okay, I already read that. Manage and coordinate documentation tracking of critical incidents, ensuring rapid, complete issue resolution and appropriate closed loops to customer and other key holders. Work upstream with the service operations development to develop and maintain standard operator procedures. So you have to have operating procedures and update those so that people know how to get into ServiceNow or whatever ticketing system that they're using. Assist in the training and development of junior team members. Work as a part of the location. Shift work is 24/7, 365 days a week. So that means that it's not going to be standard hours. It's not going to be just 9 to 5. It's going to be like you could have the day shift, which starts from 7 to 3, or you could have the night shift, which is from 4 to like 12, or you could have a swing shift, which is from like 12 to 6 a.m. or whatever. That's normally what they mean by shift work, and sometimes it's broken up in different ways. So if you're interested in this, I will put this contact information in the description below. Be looking for that. Now, if this is months later that you're seeing this and you can clearly see that the date is May 31st, don't worry about it. Here's the thing. The thing is, a lot of these contracts, you should know, they have a rotating door. Like you have a person, that's just how IT is. You have a person that comes in, they work for 6 months, they get a better job somewhere else. It's just not enough of us. And then they'll hire someone else. So you always want to, be optimistic. Apply for it. If you're looking for this job, you happen to be a perfect fit. You're a Linux administrator. You've done service. Now you're a service reliability operator. You know all about this stuff. Contact them. I have nothing to lose. The worst they can say is no. But a lot of times what they'll say is, we don't have this job, but we have this other job that you could possibly do. Do you think you can manage 2 people here? It's not in California. It's in Oklahoma. Can you do that? That's a lot of times that's what they'll do. Because these guys they're constantly looking for people to fill these positions. They constantly get a list of different positions that they want to fill. And so contact them if you happen to be qualified for this. And for you noobs out there, this just gives you an idea of the kinds of things that these guys are looking for, that these employers are looking for. And this is really great that when they have extremely detailed breakdowns of the key job descriptions that you really want to know this, because you want to know that you're a fit or not a fit and not waste your time. And they're looking for, here's the last thing I kind of just glanced on. They're not looking for just U.S. citizens. You could be a green card holder. You could be a visa. As long as you can legally work in the U.S., that's what they're looking for. They might even take remote work. You might want to ask them. It doesn't hurt to ask. Like if you happen to be living in India and you happen to be an extreme high-level engineer for this, they might have a way for you to securely log in and fix their material. You never know. So it doesn't hurt to actually just go ahead and try them out. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I will talk to you guys on the flip side. Oh, and remember, if you're interested in how to get into cybersecurity and make up to 6 figures, look in the description below. Sign up. It's for free to sign up and check out what I have out there. If it's not for you, you don't have to buy anything. But it's securitycompliance.thinkific.com. If you're interested, go check it out. See ya.